Good afternoon WRCC fans, and it's me Dan doing another walk around video. Certainly not one for the Morris Minor purist, this one, but certainly one for Morris Minor or WRCC Morris Minor fans, because if anybody knows WRCC Special Builds, we have for sale the Duotone Mark III. So obviously this is the third in a series. We did the red and black one, black and red one, and now this is the blue and silver one. Obviously we've done the Californias, which there's a lot of those all around the world as well. But this build was commissioned by us for a chap up in the northeast. We built it for him. Ill health forced him to sell it on to us, so now we have it back. It comes with WRCC receipts for well over £20,000. Finished in metallic blue and with metallic silver over that metallic blue, or metallic silver over metallic blue. That would probably been the easiest way to say it. So, special build. Stripped underneath, all the welding done, all the mechanical works required on it done. It drives lovely. Engine smooth as silk, 1098. Then new wood set fitted, brand spanking new interior, 15-inch polished edge mini light JBW alloys, which looks superb. New chrome, full new Newton commercials interior in pale blue. I will have a look at the interior with you. So, new Suffolk, brand spanking. If anybody knows, they are well over 1,500 quid these days. Really expensive. Really nice feature to have. Reclining seats, headrest. It's got the oil pressure, water temperature gauges. It's showing 30,942 miles. Full new Newton interior, so everything's new glove box liners, door cards, insulation, parcel shelf, kick panels, headliner. I'll show you the back seats as well. There you go, new headlining, new back seats, new rear cards, absolutely new everything. New rubbers. It's really a special build, this one, and I'm quite fond of it. You've got the switch there for the fog lights at the front, or the driving lamps. Pop the bonnet. Start her up for you as well. So starts, runs and drives really well. It's got some modern upgrades on it, as well as the modern exterior feel and the alloys. She's got a new alternator fitted. She's got a servo fitted, battery cut-off switch, electronic ignition fitted. Runs really well, drives really well, grabs loads of attention. I mean, it is a custom car, and it is a special WRCC custom car. And if you like something a bit different and you want a Traveller that looks modern, you know, it's got the most comparable to modern driving experience you can get, as well as a modern feel to it and a modern look, then this Traveller is certainly the one for you. All the original invoices that were spent on the car when we initially did it all come with her, so you know what's been done and what hasn't been done. 1970, as I said. Really there's nothing left to do. I hope the video does it justice, but I mean, I would expect if you were going to spend that amount of money at 24,750, I would jump in your car, get to Halifax and come and have a look at it before somebody else does. We'll take Morris Minors in trading. Obviously, if you've got a standard Morris Minor and you want something a bit more jazzy, then we'll take your car in trade against it. Give us a call on 01422888122 and ask for Dan in sales. That's me. Send us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, and obviously this will be live at www.westridingclassics.co.uk and our social media channels. Also, if you fancied a custom looking Morris Minor building and this one's not quite for you, or you want a saloon or a pickup or a van or a traveller or a convertible or whatever you want, just give us a tinkle, come and see us, and we can have a look at building that for you as well. Thanks guys.